Well, guys, so right now is the next day. It's like what the night shift was in, got all dizzy. But I was like pushing there all day, like 20 hours without sleep, so because I worked there the night before quite a lot too. But yeah, right now I'm gonna try to finish up this all of this brush. I don't have a little pain in my back, but I'm gonna finish it up because after like 2 hours there's gonna be a big thunderstorm. It's gonna be like raining for 3 hours straight, I think, something like that. So I want to finish this up before that rolls in. So yeah. Well, guys, I don't know, Mike, finish up this evening or something. There is a thunderstorm somewhere around here, and it got extremely quiet and very peaceful. So it might happen. It's very dangerous right now to work because if it's this peaceful right now, then after 5 minutes there'll be thunder everywhere. So I'll quit right now. There's a few bushes left, not a lot, but I'll quit for the day. See ya. Well, guys, so right now it's been about 4 hours from time we recorded the ending of that area. We had a massive storm, not too like rain too wet, but it was quite a lot of rain. When like the river is already kind of raised, so it was pretty bit harder to get over because they come from the other side. It's easier because don't have to walk all the way from the field. That'll be way harder. Well, guys, those two are left. Well, we're gonna cut them in late August or autumn when this gets harvested, everything is filled, so we can get with the tractor in here and pull everything out. And second reason is, well, after the rainstorm, well, this one I could have probably cut down, but was kind of shitty angle, so if I can leave it, I leave it. Cut it down in autumn or some drier time period, and we can drag over there, over that pump anyway, so better not. And the other one is literally some birds in water, so yeah. And those ones we gonna leave for now. I'm gonna cut them when I get over there with tractor, get all that brush from that area out there too. So yeah, that's gonna be our time. But except these three others in that area there, which I might even leave. I don't know. We'll see. Everything's cut down, so that is nice. Well, everything at least on this river side, which is only about 300 meters, and in like 2 days. From the standpoint of ours, I just had a bunch of other things to deal with.